Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the core components so you can build safely and fast. Choose a motor matched to the pump head. A 1/2 to 2 HP motor covers most home compressors and ensures adequate flow. Once done, prepare a steel tank or approved pressure vessel sized 20 to 60 liters. This stores compressed air and smooths pulsations. Make sure you have a pressure switch, check valve, and an overpressure safety valve rated above your target PSI before proceeding to assembly. You now connect the pump to the motor and build the control loop so the system runs automatically. Mount the pump with a flexible coupling and tighten alignment bolts to reduce vibration and bearing wear. Next, plumb a check valve to the pump outlet, then route to the tank with a short length of hardened hose or steel pipe. Seal threaded joints with PTFE tape to prevent leaks. After that, wire the pressure switch to the motor with a fused breaker and thermal protection. This prevents overload and cycles the motor correctly. You finish by verifying integrity and tuning the system so it's safe and reliable. Close all valves, slowly pressurize to operating PSI, and inspect every joint with soapy water. Repair any bubbles immediately. Once sealed, set the pressure switch cut-in and cut-out to your desired range and run several start-stop cycles under light load to confirm behavior. If you see rapid pressure drop, check for leaks. If the motor overheats, reduce duty cycle or improve cooling. Those fixes solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.